Understanding 3D Printed Organs, a guide to modern medical marvels. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that's at the cutting edge of science and technology: 3D printed organs. This concept might sound like science fiction, but it's a real and evolving part of modern medicine. If you're curious about how technology is revolutionizing healthcare, you're in the right place. 3D printing, a process also known as additive manufacturing, involves creating a three-dimensional object by adding material layer by layer, following a digital design. When applied to medical science, this technology can produce biological structures, like organs, that are customized to individual patients. These 3D printed organs can range from skin and blood vessels to more complex structures like hearts or kidneys. Creating a 3D printed organ isn't as simple as printing a document. It involves several steps. 1. Design. A digital model of the organ is created, often based on medical imaging from the patient. 2. Materials. Special bio-inks, made from biocompatible materials and cells, are used. 3. Printing. The organ is printed layer by layer, following the digital model. 4. Maturation. The printed organ is matured in a lab to develop proper structure and function. Potential. Customization. Organs can be tailored to the specific needs and anatomy of a patient. Reduced waiting time. It could decrease the wait times for transplants. Ethical and accessibility. It might reduce the need for organ donors, addressing ethical and accessibility concerns. Challenges. Complexity. Replicating the complexity of natural organs is difficult. Regulation and safety. Ensuring these organs are safe and effective for use in humans is a major concern. Cost. The technology is currently expensive and resource-intensive. The future of 3D printed organs is incredibly promising. With advancements in technology and biomedicine, it's hoped that fully functional, transplantable organs can be created, revolutionizing transplant medicine and saving countless lives. We hope this video has shed some light on the remarkable world of 3D printed organs. This groundbreaking technology holds the potential to change the face of medicine and offers hope to millions waiting for organ transplants. As always, thanks for watching, and stay curious.